Holy crap. It's been a while. I got way too far into this project to even get started. So I decided to break it into baby steps. Of course, we already did most of the sanding. Dog-legged it out here by myself. Take off this black quote-unquote beauty ring around the bottom edge. See what that looks like. Hopefully I'm not disturbing too much there. Yeah. Sand that up. Wipe it all down acetone. I'm hoping to get a coat or two on today. And I decided to do the bed liner stuff first instead of mounting all of my gear. I'm gonna put that bed liner on. I think it'll be okay to drill through once it hardens up, and we can move on to the rack next, and then power, and then, you know, so on and so forth. So stay tuned. We'll get a little time lapse or something going here with some dope music, and see what I can get into. A lot of people, you're just using this cheap Herculiner product. I don't know if you should call it cheap. Anyways, it's a do-it-yourself product for bed liners. Since the cap was silver and the truck's blue and black, I'm just gonna take it flat black. With this stuff, I got a gallon and a quart and some acetone and stuff to get it cleaned up. And then I've got some rollers and I think a little brush in there to help me get some of the tight spots. So when we're done, I'll get into some of the other stuff we got going. But for the most part, we're just getting ready now. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this little beauty ring off here, see if I can't set up a little video of that action. Mostly gonna be along the bottom edge, so we'll stop and I'll get the rest of these lowered. Man, do you even know what you're doing? In particular, was a bear. I had to come in with my little baby hacksaw, cut off a self-tapper behind this here. Probably gonna just get the sanding on this here. Got some cleaning to do. Hoping that the sun will dry it out. This is coming along pretty good today. Okay, damn. That took a long time, so I got it all sanded down, but I kept exposing these pieces along underneath that beauty ring I thought was optional. It's rough all the way around this thing. Not so much on the sides or the corners of the back, but this front right section here is a little rough there. I've got stuff all through the bottom edge of this to do. I don't know if it's gonna pick up there. Just smoothed out. I just want it to look decent. A lot of effort gone into this thing. I know it's, you know, probably a cheap topper from a decade ago, but yeah, we're doing our best. You know what we need? Just in general. More birds, don't you think? What in the shit party? Y'all see all this? 1, 2, 3, I mean there's, what, 47 and a half shits. So yeah, I just wanted to touch base on some of these products I got. These blue rollers came with the Herculiner kit. Of course, they're going to provide their ideal finish. I've got a smaller roller here, 2-pack that I picked up at the paint shop while I was getting my whatever this is called, the tray, and a couple sponge applicators and then a brush. Anyways, I just kind of wanted to mess around and see what kind of finishes I can get. I really don't want to have any lines or striping in the whole thing. So yeah, we're gonna hit it with the acetone here in a second. You get it degreased once it gets dried off. Stay tuned, we're coming up on the acetone here in probably a little bit. All right, well, as you can see, I forgot to record the first coat, so I'm super good at YouTube. We did a good job getting the first coat down. It's really hot. I think we're going to be back here in 30-40 minutes or something, maybe less, maybe more, I don't know. We'll do round 2, and move on to the next part. All right, stay tuned. I'm the best of YouTube. I'm the best of YouTube. I'm the best of YouTube. That was our second coat. We got her done. I'm hoping that that's all it takes. I just did a lot of cleanup with some acetone, cleaning up the trim, and I think it looks good. I'm just gonna let it dry now. We're gonna get it on probably this afternoon. I'll get some help from the squad here and get her locked in. You can see that acetone did a number on my stickers, but I don't like those stickers anyway, so be it. Oh, here's another good angle on the coatage. You know, it's bed liner. It's not going to be perfect, but it's not silver anymore, and I like it. Morning, did some touch up on the liner. Still got a little bit here and there to do, but I got after mounting the rack on. Just snugged it up. I can foresee some issues just with sealant, and I had one carriage bolt trip out, so I'll have to get a new carriage bolt set up. Damn, I mathed myself to sleep on this trying to get the dimensions right, and I still ended up with this distance to that corner distance being a 1/4 inch, or just a shy of a 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch off from the distance over there. Now I'm dead center and everything, but damn it, man, if I didn't waste a bunch of time doing a ton of, you know, measure twice, cut once kind of stuff, damn, I still don't do measurements well. Anyways, this will work. I'm happy. It turned out pretty good. Doesn't matter how long I spend on it, I still see like thin areas. But for the most part, both Ronan and I are real happy with how it turned out. I mean, it's our first kind of project like that together, and then I've got to get some help putting this thing on, and then we'll move on to the electrics, but that'll be a different episode. All right, thanks. Take care. Like sitting here sweating that 1/8 to 1/4 inch I was off. It's just aligning those two beams, and I just realized each mount has about that much play, so I should be able to loosen the front driver's side corner and just shimmy it forward to catch that. So I guess I did okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. Don't, you know, beat yourself up too much. There's always, you know, silver lining. I think we did good. Super proud of us. I think we did a good job, and it looks great. It looks, I think, probably better than I expected it to.